Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you guys can add speed ramp on your video by using CapCut mobile. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app, then tap on new project. After this, select the video, and here if you tap on edit option, then scroll like this, you guys will find out stabilize option, and here put it on recommended most. Now tap on the check mark, and here you guys can see the differences. I'm going to add keyframes on this video and going to focus on this girl. Now tap on edit and then go to speed. Here you guys will see curve option. Then tap on flash in and customize the speed like this. Now tap on the check mark. Now it's time to watch the full video. Here you guys will find out the changes. So this is how you guys can put speed ramp on your video. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.